Hi friends, hope you all are doing well. Like last year, this year also have gone for it is the 44th book fair of Chennai Book Fair. So I was really happy I can make it to the book fair this time. Coming to the book fair sanitization, I don't think they all sanitize everything there, but when we enter into the bookstore, when we enter into the book fair entrance, they are actually making sure we are wearing the mask, and they have giving the sanitizing to our hands, and also they are checking the temperature, and they gave me this leaflet. I would snapshot and will include in here in this video, or you can take a screenshot, or I will try my best to put this as a PDF in the description box. If I don't know whether I can do that, but I will try. As I already said, I have so many books which I haven't picked up till now. My to be read pile was growing higher and higher and higher. I can't imagine how many books I have to read, because I don't want to keep on collecting books and not reading. So this time I was really picky by getting the book, because I don't want to buy books for just I wanted to buy. That category of me had to shut down this time, because no, Srilekha, this is not good. You're collecting so many books and having so little time to read. So just calm down and buy the book which you can't ever resist to buy. So that's why I was really very picky, but I bought I bought a good collection of books for my daughter. So let's dig into what I bought in the book fair. First, I will show what all I bought for my daughter. This is a Tamil book, Pulikkum Drachai. She likes fox stories, so I thought she would love to read like this book. So I bought. And there's also, to be honest, this is her pick. She picked this book for her. Next book I bought is Lion and the Mouse. The story she loves very much. The pictures are really cool and good, so I bought this book for her. And another next book is the coloring book. And another one is a drawing book, step-by-step drawing book. You can find the step-by-step how to draw pictures here. So I thought this would be helpful for my daughter and for myself, so I bought this. And the next book is Abduction, for a happy ending. It's a Krishna book for children. The images are really good, and also the letters are really big to read for children's. For this, she can't read for now, but sure, in few years she is going to read this book. For now, I would read it. And next book is the activity book. Here we have lots of activity. I can engage her with lots of activity, so I liked to buy this kind of activity book. Another book is also an activity book from ISKCON Prabhupada, and this book is also a children's activity book, but it's almost based on Lord Krishna stories and other activities. So hope she would enjoy. I thought she would enjoy doing this, or else this was not meant for my daughter's age children. I could wait for her to grow up, or I can use for myself sometimes. I thought that, and one day I can't believe how kiddish I was. Every book I was buying for her, I was thinking I can use for myself also. like that I was really behaving kiddish, I know, but every book I bought for her is also for me. The other four books I have are all Krishna's based books and also a coloring book. This is also a ISKCON's book, coloring book. Here we have a beautiful images of Krishna, Lord Krishna. We can color the I think this would be very good for my daughter to color this book, and also this one I know she will really love to color this book because it has a really very big pictures, so there is more space for her to color. I think she would love to color in this book. The next book is also a coloring book from Krishna, but this one is, I hope I can do this. Here you can see the beautiful pictures of Krishna. This is mostly for me. The pictures are very intricate, so this one mostly this one is for myself, and the last one I bought for her and also for me is this one, 25 differences of Lord Krishna. We have to find the difference between these two pages and color this picture. This was really beautiful. I can color it and I can say Ananya, that is my daughter, to find the difference. I hope that would help very much to her to find the difference. That's it I bought for her, and that is for me and her. The next few books are for me. The first book was The Great Plays of Kalidasa. I can't resist when Amar Chitra Katha has a beautiful comic stories of Kalidasa, so I picked up this book. There is really a beautiful comic here, and I liked it very much. And the next book is Bridget Jones's Diary, and when I read this, I was really interested, and I felt this book has a really weird kind of story with it, so I really wanted to read some totally different category type of books. So this book gave me that impression. So this book is really just like a diary paragraph kind of thing you can see here. So I hope I can read this very fast, and I was expecting to read this book in near future. The next book was Teachings of Queen Kunti. This book, as you all know, I love mythology fictions, but this book is not mythology fiction, it's kind of a mythology book. Recently I was inspired by Queen Kunti, so when I saw this book I really wanted to read, so I picked up this book. The next one is really a spiritual book, Srimad Bhagavatam in story form. This is from ISKCON. This was in my wish list for a few months now, as I already bought Srimad Bhagavatam in other forms, so I was thinking of buying later, but when I saw this in a bookshop, I can't resist. I wanted to buy for myself. This is in a story form, so I think it would be easy for me to understand very well, so I bought this one. And I bought some, so when I buy few books from ISKCON, they gave me this two booklet. One is called Yen Bhagavad Gita Unmayuruvil, Tamil one, and Asaiva Unavu Thevaya Abdina. Two books, they gave two books in my mother tongue, so these two books. And also I bought these two things like blow pen and magic mirror. Both are really useful, but not for a kid below 5 years, or even we can say below 6 years. After above 6 years you can really buy them this kind of things and they would enjoy using this. I thought my daughter and myself can use this, but it is clearly used by me only, not her, because it was really hard for her to do blowing job with this pen, and she can really do tracing with this mirror. So these two things are for myself. That's it guys, hope you have enjoyed watching this video. If so, please like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Happy reading.